This is TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN Headline News Update.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the 4 p.m. stock market update right here on TFNN. Hope you all had a fantastic day. Was joined by Steve Rhodes during the show. Check out that video. It's going to be up on our YouTube Tiger Financial News Network. If you decide to do so, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Well, we're talking about Rockwell, but I don't want to talk about that right now. Let's go right now to the SPY trading up 0.7. So you gave it up, oh wow, at the end of the day there. Not a ton of volume today whatsoever. Okay, so you had a little bit of a dip at the end of the day. That's fine. Still higher for the day. Composite up 0.31%. Dow Jones Industrial up 0.85%. Of course, we're waiting to see what the Fed has to say. Gold contract trading up 0.25%, 3,008. Okay, Intel, they have their new guy, Lip Bhutan, if I remember that correctly. Tan Lip Bu. New CEO, up 6.82% today. The guy, again, we were singing his praises the other week. And it seems like he has a path forward, okay? Which is very nice. Focusing heavily, obviously, on AI, focusing on robotics, which is a big thing. It seems like they were able to get their 18A node out far quicker than anticipated. I think that was due to be produced Lip Bhutan. Was meant to be produced in mid-2025, so in theory, this is a little bit ahead of schedule, which is kind of cool. He is going to fire a lot of middle management. It seems like that might be what needs to be done with Intel, although I think their board is a massive problem as well. The 18A as well, you know, this is going to compete with N2, which is TSMC. Okay, of course, TSMC has developments in Arizona. I do think that Intel gets favored if there is anything like a CHIPS Act. I don't know if Trump's going to spend like that. If he is, it's not going to be in the near term. But it is nice to see these developments at Intel. The 18A also, so this was the problem with N2. Even though 18A was just kind of better in a lot of ways in the traditional sense, TSMC was doing gate all around, okay? And that was going to be more efficient. But it seems like Intel has now developed something like that called ribbon FET, which is a gate all around transistor. So it seems like they might be able to compete in a serious way if their yield is good and scalable. Well, interesting. Is Intel at least a speculative buy right now? I guess we'll talk about it tomorrow. Take care, folks.